learn something that I think you will all enjoy. So if my volunteers with the can and bottle could stand up and stand like I showed you. Alright, Cherry's going to go for the can first. Look both ways before crossing the street. And then she's going to come up here and recycle it. And then she's going to go get that bottle as well. She always has to look. She gets worried other crows are going to come steal her precious recyclables away from her. And recycle that one as well. Thank you very much to my volunteers. Landfills for our garbage destroy thousands of acres of wildlife habitat each year. So recycling things like aluminum cans, paper, and plastic bottles will help save wildlife. Recycling is so easy that even a bird can do it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today it is our privilege to be able to bring to you the symbol of this great nation. Meet Norbert, our 5-year-old bald eagle. Let's hear it for Norbert. Now Norbert here probably does not look like your typical bald eagle to most of you, and that is because he is only 5 years old. The bald eagle does not get its full white head and tail till they are at least 5 or 6. So we're hoping that Norbert will have that full white head molted in by this winter. We almost lost the bald eagle because of the pesticide DDT. But through the banning of DDT and through the help of concerned organizations, there are now over 10,000 nesting pairs of bald eagles in the continental United States. Bald eagles also build the largest nest out of any raptor in the world, adding sticks to it year after year. The largest bald eagle nest ever recorded was built in Florida and was 9.5 feet wide, 20 feet tall, and weighed almost 3 tons before it broke the tree that it was built in. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to fly away from this heat and the world's problems? The thing is, our Earth is only so big, so we eventually land, and the problems are right at our feet again. We can help take care of our Earth through our everyday lives by recycling and reducing the amount of energy that we use. This will help us to take flight towards a brighter future and a cleaner, safer world. With the help of our last bird, you can help support the work of concerned organizations like the Little Rock Zoo and the World Bird Sanctuary. Meet Little Guy, our white-necked raven. She is here to do a little fundraising. If you would like to help support conservation, the Little Guy would be happy to take that donation from you and place it in the donation box.
There we go. Good girl. Thank you. All right, good girl. Thank you very much. All right, real close. There you go. You want more money? Do you want more money, little guy? You want another $1?
Say please.
There you go. For the bucks. Thank you so much.
All right. I have a YouTube channel, Eco Whale. I'll probably put this on.
Fantastic. She is a beautiful bird. We love her very much. She's very smart, very intelligent, very picky.